Imagine these are the ends of your drawstrings. You'll take your left-hand side and form it so it looks like an ampersand. With your right-hand side, you'll form a loop, thread it through the top, go around the bottom, and pull everything tight. Now the good thing about tying it this way is it's not going to loosen up on you. But let's say your shorts are too loose. You'll tighten them up by taking this thumb loop here and gathering up this loose end, and now you can pull in more tension. When the knot resets, it'll stay tight. If your shorts are too tight, same thing, take your thumb loop, gather up this loose end, and give yourself some slack. And then once you're all done, you'll simply take this end and pull everything free. Here's a first-person point of view. Now this drawstring is sewn in at the back of the shorts, so I need to pull in some tension on the left side first. But I'll pinch it with my right hand, and then I'll grab it from the left and pull in my ampersand. With my right hand, I'll pull in the loop, go through the bottom, and then over the top, and then I'll pull it tight. Now when I want to add tension, I'll grab this loose end here and my thumb loop and pull in some tension. That's good. If I want to loosen up my shorts, grab the thumb loop and the loose end, and I'll pull in some slack. And when I'm all done, I'll just take this end and pull it free.